I'm a teacher, that's what I do. Okay. Here we go. Troy.
Yeah.
My favorite student in class. Troy, can you do the numerator for me, please? From yesterday. Go ahead.
Do what?
Numerator, please, the top.
Oh, so you do. 3
Yeah. So for those that weren't here yesterday, there was a few people. If you're having an exponent outside, it's like multiplying the exponents. So this is going to change to 3 to the 12, x to the negative 6, and y to the 9. Is everyone okay with that? If you weren't here yesterday, you won't be okay, but that's the rule that it is. If there's something to an exponent, you're going to multiply the exponents. Okay? Everyone else okay? All right. Chastity, can you do the denominator for me, please?
3 to the power -4.
Yeah.
X, 2, and y.
And wonderful. I couldn't sneak that by you. For those that weren't here yesterday, if there's no x, there's an invisible 1 beside that there. Okay? So you just do -2 times 2 is -4. 1 times 2 is 2, and 4 times 2 is 8. It's come back for most people from yesterday, I hope. Good? All right. Nathan. Do you want Nathan or Nate? I can't remember. Nate? Okay, Nate. Now, can you explain to the class what you do on this next step? This is for the people that weren't here yesterday. Go ahead.
You divide numerators.
Okay, very good. So the 12, so these are going to stick together like this. So you just deal with the 3 separate, you deal with the x separately, you deal with the y separately. Now, Nate, when you divide, what do you do to the exponents? Right. So when you divide exponents, Cassie, you got here still? Okay, good. When you divide the exponents, you want to subtract. So this turns into 3 to the 12 minus 4, x to the -6 minus 2, and y to the 9 minus 8. All right, Luke, what's 12 minus -4?
Positive 18. Oh, 16.
Good. Positive 16, good. -6 minus 2 is?
Negative 8.
Good. And 9 minus 8 is?
1.
1 to 1 or just 1? Just 1. All right, Helena, we're looking good with this question. You would only get 2.5 out of 3. What can you do to get full marks on this question? What do we still need to do? Remember?
Do they like turn it into a fraction?
Yeah. Okay, because for those, especially those who weren't here yesterday, what a negative exponent means is that it goes to the denominator, which should be positive. What's happening here? What is happening here? Okay. Right. So again, the idea is, and the reason for that is, x to the -8 means that there's more x's in the denominator than there is in the numerator. So what x to the -8 means is 1 over 8x's. Okay? Like that is 8 positive x's in the denominator. If you weren't here yesterday, you're probably going, what is going on right now? Okay, but for those that weren't here yesterday, hope you remember this. Amelia, you're good? Good. We're good? Okay. Any major questions on this? Lauren, you're good? Lauren, you're good? Is it weird being friends with someone with the same name? No? Because I have a daughter named Ava. It's a cool name now. So she has like 4 A's in her class. I mean, that's so weird. That's my problem. Okay, number 9. What page were we on last night, please? 172, I think it was. Close. Okay. Page 127, number 9. And occasionally I'll give you homework by mistake. It isn't as good as it could be. And it sounds like last night I did do that by mistake. Okay, so we'll do this and see what happens. Oh, what's the problem with this one? So what number, for those that had their hand up on this, because about half the class they didn't know what to do. Okay, I'm going to pick on Tyson. Sorry, Tyson. You said number 9. You said there's one that you didn't quite get. Okay, which number, which letter specific told me to do on the board? Okay, I'll pick, maybe I'll just go for H. We'll start with H, okay? Let's go for H. And then if there's another one you guys want me to do, because this is where our whole lesson is today, is on stuff like this, okay? So let's do H. Okay? So, 9H says 3x squared cubed So xy squared cubed. I'm going to rewrite the times like this if that's okay. Okay. I'm going to rewrite that big X like a dot if that's okay. Alright. We're all okay on that so far? That's the question should look like. Okay. Now, hopefully the textbook does it the same way I do. If they don't, I apologize. Can somebody be brave, that being Owen, okay? Can you be brave, please, and do the top? So we're going to do each part separately. Can you do the top left part right here, please? Go ahead. Yeah.
X to exponent 3, y
Right, because 2 times 3, right? So for those who weren't here yesterday, again, it's 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 3 is 6. Now, I'm going to leave this as negative 4 x squared y because that doesn't change. Okay? In the denominator, shoot, just wait, I have a brain freeze. Just wait. Reese, can you do the denominator for me, please?
Y to the power, 2 to the power of 2.
Yeah.
X, 4,
Yeah.
y.
Very good. Now, I'm going to show you the way I will leave it, and I'll show you the way the textbook probably did this. Okay? Can we simplify? Can someone be brave and simplify the numerator? Amelia, that's hopefully going to be you. Okay? Can this simplify it all, or not really? Okay, go ahead. Yeah. I'm negative 4, but yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, good. Yeah, keep going. Yeah. They're times, not plus, but I know what you mean. Yeah. They're times instead of plus, but I know what you mean. Okay. I'll get out of the way so I know I make a better door than a window. So all we did there, if you're sitting there saying what is happening, is that Amelia just correctly rearranged things so they're all combined. Okay, sorry about that. So right, all the x's are together, all the y's are together, all the numbers are together. Now, this is the part that the textbook probably did. Okay, and I just want to just simplify here. Can this be combined in any way? The negative 3 and a 4. No, right, 3s and 4s are different. But this is about what they did. Ready? I bet they changed this. What's 2 squared? Anyone know? 4. So what is 4 divided by 4? 1. So they probably crossed these guys out, I bet. And they probably left it as negative 27. Is that what they did? Okay, you don't have to do that in my class. Leave it like this in my class, okay? But the textbook probably said negative 27. So you see what happened there? 4 divided by 4 cancels out. 3 cubed is 27 with a negative. All right. I say hello to you every day, Jessica. I should know your name by now. X cubed, x squared is?
X cubed, x squared.
Yeah, it is.
X times 5.
Good. And y 6 times y is?
Y to the power of 7.
Good.
Wait, so you want us to do negative?
No, I'm happy to leave it like this, but the textbook did negative 27. If you left it like this, perfect. You're not going to get marked wrong. It's going to be correct. Okay. But that's probably what the textbook did, I'm assuming, last night. Okay. Lauren, finish up, please. Can you simplify those x's and y's, please?
It'd be x1
Yeah.
and x3.
And y 3.
Yeah.
So
and then
negative
y.
27 x y 3 is probably what the textbook had, like that.
Mhm.
If you had it like this, I'm happy with that in this class, okay? Because I want to get you away from typing it into a calculator, okay? I want you to see an exponential form. Everyone see the difference? There's no difference. They actually mean the same thing. If you give me negative 27, that's fine, but I prefer you don't, because we're supposed to be doing this with our brains instead of our calculators, okay? That's it. Was that the difficulties I assumed from last night? The numbers weren't just matching up. Is that the difficulty? Okay, does anyone else want me to go through a different one, or is that clarification enough? You guys are so polite. Polite? No one else have any other difficulties? I want Did you not stop the timer? All including mothers tonight, I'm saying no more. Okay. All right. Any other questions before I continue? No, we're good? Just so you know that's sarcasm. I'm not really calling them mothers. It's good to play sports, okay? It's back in the school though. Like it's a delicate balance. All right. This is what our lesson today is going to be called continuing exponents. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to give you one more big exponent thing to do today. Then I'm going to give you a worksheet to work on. Excuse me. Okay, and that's going to be your homework and your day work, okay? And hopefully we'll take it up at the end of the class in case you guys have any questions on things. Okay. And then I'll finish on your desks. All right. Matthew, you don't know what's going on, so I'm going to skip you if that's okay. Don't be offended. Okay, I'll pick on you again tomorrow, horse. So the question I want you guys to try is this. Okay, this will be the most difficult thing you see on your test. I mean, as far as this is the level of difficulty, the question will be on your test. Okay? So you can keep copying your notes or borrow someone's notes if you want to get caught up on things. Okay? Hopefully by the end of the class you'll be up to speed with everybody else. Okay? So take a minute, try this one out. Okay? So again, 2 to the 5 x y cubed times 3 squared x squared y to the 4 divided by 2 to the 8 x cubed y squared to the negative 2. As I said, this is a test level question right here.